Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to install the GDPR WordPress plugin. So the first thing you need to do is download the plugin. It's a paid plugin but very reasonably priced, and you get the developer's license, which means that you can install it on all your WordPress sites as well as for your clients. You can check the link in the description section. So I'm logged into my WordPress website. Go to the plugin section and choose Add New, and it'll bring you to the plugins page. Click on Upload Plugin. Next, click on the Browse button and navigate to the location where you have the plugin downloaded. Just make sure it's in zip format. Select the zip folder and then click Open. You will see the folder downloaded. Click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click Activate Plugin, and now you're ready to set it up. You will find the plugin in the left sidebar with instructions on how to set it up. You can check this video to learn how to set it up, but hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and thanks for watching.